Have you ever wondered how a hungry stray dog reacts when he desperately wants food but at the same time is scared of love? Today I sat beside a stray dog trying to show him love while offering him food. I gave him some chicken feet, and the moment I placed them in front of him, he jumped to eat. His hunger was so clear, written in his eyes. Then I pulled out a small bag. The instant he saw it, his excitement grew. He stood up, looked at me eagerly, and kept jumping as if he knew there was food inside. That look of hope and desperation touched my heart deeply. I slowly fed him piece by piece. As he ate, I reached out to pet him, but he quickly lifted his paw and ran a little away. He wanted the food but was not ready to fully trust me yet. Sometimes he sat down, sometimes he stood up, sometimes he came close, then backed away again. It was as if he was caught between fear and trust. I kept sitting close, gently feeding him more. Gradually, as his hunger was being satisfied, I could see him calming down. I gave him enough chicken feed to fill his stomach. But I did not want to stop there. I also had some bread with me. I tore two pieces into small chunks and placed them in front of him. This time he sat calmly and started eating them more relaxed than before. These moments meant so much to me. On one side, there was a hungry soul struggling between fear and love, and on the other side, I was determined to win his trust. This was not just about feeding him, it was about building a bond, a silent understanding between a human and a helpless animals. In the end, I tried once again to place my hand on his head. This time he paused. He did not run away. He stayed still as if he finally realized I was not threat, I was a friend, and that moment made me realize something powerful. True love and humanity is about removing fear from the hearts of those who cannot even speak for themselves. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow us on my Facebook account. Thank you everyone.